Yay! We just got here. We're going to the bonfire. Look! There's a big fire! There's Asia there. And Olive there. So it's a bonfire night tonight.
I had bonfire night yesterday.
Did you?
Yeah. Olive having it today too.
Wow. In the last like 6 years or that I've been here, this is the first time that I experienced this one.
Well, a whole new sensation then.
Yeah. So yeah. Can you please tell a little bit, babe? Why are you having this bonfire? What is this then? How do you call it again?
It's call it Bonfire Night, or it's Guy Fawkes Night.
Guy Fawkes Night.
And Guy Fawkes, back in, I don't know, 15th century, was accused with other conspiracists to blow up parliaments, and they found lots of gunpowder hidden in the House of Parliament, and they were going to blow it up. And so the tradition came for letting off the fireworks to represent the explosion of the gunpowder.
Careful.
And I think Guy was burnt on a big
fire like that. Okay. Come on. There we go. Look at that.
They put like a mannequin on the bonfire.
All right. Can we just roam around there first? Asia, Olive, come on. Hold hands because there's loads of people. Come on. You hold hands there with Daddy. Come on. Loads and loads of people here. It's already, what's the time now? It's almost, I think 7 o'clock, 7 p.m. So, yeah, again, this is my first time to experience this one. So, we usually just have a fireworks in our own garden at this time of the year. But I didn't know that they have something like this. So, first time that I experienced this one. Oh, there's actually sparklers, babe.
Oh, I did say there were no sparklers allowed.
What? Where?
When look on the website.
Really? But there's like...
There you go, there's your fireworks display.
Wow, that's really a big fire. It's actually raining here today. It's not that, it's just shower. Yeah. Look at that. There's actually loads and loads of people here. It's just not showing very much because it's dark. But there's like thousands of people here. And there's two girls here. That's Asia and her friend Olive. Where's Daddy now? Come on. No, you already have that one. So later on, we will be able to witness a fireworks. So as you can hear in the background now outside, there's already fireworks. So some of the people here already doing their fireworks just at their own place, their garden, at their garden. So we usually do that. We usually do our fireworks just in the garden. Babe, look at that. Look there. Look, they have sparklers. Come on. Oh. blown up with blown up. Wow. Asia Stream. Stream.